In this video, I'm going to teach you the trick double rolls. It looks like this. Just like that. And before you do this trick, you want to make sure that you know how to do the velvet mount and also that you can do a 1A keychain because that motion is essential to this trick. Now, to start the trick off, you get into a velvet mount. But before we do that, I want to explain each hand by itself so you understand what's happening. So the first thing you're going to do is take your dominant hand, throw it down, take your opposite index finger, lift up the string, and insert the string into the gap, just like you would with a front mount. But you want to make sure that your finger is really close to the yo-yo so that the majority of the string is between your two hands, and your other finger is close to the yo-yo. And that allows you to get a good keychain motion, and it also keeps the string proportions correct for the trick. One tip when you're practicing this is when you get into it, if you leave your elbow out like this and you try to perform a keychain, you're going to hit your arm. So you have to tuck your elbow in like this when you're doing it so that it kind of keychains to the outside of it. Once you've done that, we're going to do the opposite hand, and it's the same mount. So you throw the yo-yo down, lift your finger up. Again, you want the yo-yo close to your opposite index finger. And with this side, we're going to make a nice round shape with our arms so that we have a space in which to do the keychain. So you make that round space and you can practice flipping right in there. But again, you don't want to practice with your elbow out. Try to keep your elbow in as you're doing the trick. That way you can have room for that other keychain to happen. So once you've got those two parts, you're going to end up putting them together. And one other tip that's going to help is sometimes you might find you hit your arms anyways, and a lot of times this happens because the string is too long and there's too much length. The proportions are off. So one thing that I find that helps is when I do the trick, I get into my velvet mount, and the first thing I do is I do a couple flips back, and then I perform the rolls. And what this does is it shortens the string so that it has the correct proportions, but also one thing you want to look out for is that if you do too many flips and the string gets too short, you'll also end up hitting your arms. So once you've got that down, that's how you do double rolls. Jeez. See, that's what happens when there's too much slack.